So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to stop order buy a stock here on Webull using the Webull application. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Webull account. Once that is done, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go to the bottom right, press on markets, and go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass or the search tab right here. And for this demonstration, how about I use ticker symbol AAPL or Apple as indicated under most search in the top left corner. So I will press on this one right here. Now if you want to stop order buy a stock, it's super simple. Go to the bottom left, press on trade right here, and under where it says order type, I want you to go ahead and change it from limit right here to stop limit right here, or sorry, to stop order stock right here. So it says set a stop price higher than current price. If market price rises above the stop price, a market buy order is triggered. So what this basically means is that, for example, this Apple stock is trading at $190 and I believe $191. $190.02. So you have to set a price higher than this. So if you wanted to go $192, for instance, you think the stock's going to go up or whatever, but you don't want to buy it or whatever, set your stop limit price above. Then go to quantity, do as much quantity or as little quantity as you're looking for. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on buy, and to confirm your purchase or to confirm your stop buy, press confirm at the bottom to close and finalize your transaction. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to stop order buy a stock here on the Webull application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.